In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable private space on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in settings, scroll down, go in security and privacy, again scroll down, go in more security settings, tap on secure folder, tap on continue, tap again on continue. It will take some time. Now select the lock type. I am going with pin. Tap on turn on, tap on next. As you can see, private space, which is secure folder in Samsung Galaxy A16, is enabled in my device. Now if you want to add the application, then you can simply tap on plus icon, select the application you want to add. For example, I am adding TikTok. Tap on add. As you can see, TikTok is added in my private space. So this is how you can enable private space on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.